What Ayurvedic herbs are commonly used in Hindu households for health? Ayurvedic herbs play a crucial role in Hindu households, not only for their health benefits but also for their spiritual significance. These herbs are deeply embedded in daily routines, rituals, and culinary practices, reflecting a holistic approach to wellness that encompasses physical, mental, and spiritual health. Below are some commonly used Ayurvedic herbs in Hindu households, along with their health benefits. Tulsi, holy basil. Benefits: revered as a sacred plant, Tulsi is known for its powerful adaptogenic and antioxidant properties. It is used to boost immunity, reduce stress, support respiratory health, and enhance mental clarity. Use: consumed as herbal tea, included in daily worship, and used in traditional remedies for colds and flu. Turmeric, Curcuma longa. Benefits: turmeric is celebrated for its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and healing properties. It aids in digestion, supports liver function, and contributes to skin health. Use: a staple spice in cooking, applied as a paste for skin conditions, and taken as a supplement for its health benefits. Ashwagandha, Vidania somnifera. Benefits: ashwagandha is an adaptogen that helps the body manage stress. It also supports energy levels, improves concentration, and strengthens the immune system. Use: consumed in powdered form, mixed into warm milk or water, and used in various Ayurvedic formulations. Triphala. Benefits: a blend of 3 fruits, amlaki, bibhitki, and haritki. Triphala is renowned for its rejuvenating properties. It promotes digestive health, detoxifies the body, and supports eye health. Use: taken as a powder, tablet, or in herbal teas, usually before bedtime to aid digestion and detoxification. Neem, Ajadirachta indica. Benefits: neem is known for its purifying and cleansing properties. It is beneficial for skin health, acts as a natural antiseptic, and supports the immune system. Use: leaves are used in skincare products, consumed for internal cleansing, and used in dental care for healthy gums and teeth. Ginger, Zingiber officinale. Benefits: ginger aids digestion, relieves nausea, reduces inflammation, and is effective in treating cold and flu symptoms. Use: widely used in cooking for its flavor, made into teas, and included in remedies for digestive discomfort. Brahmi, Bacopa monnieri. Benefits: Brahmi is esteemed for its ability to improve memory, cognitive function, and reduce anxiety. It is also used to promote overall brain health. Use: consumed in powdered form, as a supplement, or used in oils for scalp and hair treatments to enhance hair health. Amla, Indian gooseberry. Benefits: amla is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. It strengthens the immune system, promotes healthy skin and hair, and supports digestive health. Use: eaten raw, used in pickles and jams, or consumed as juice or powder for its health benefits. These Ayurvedic herbs, deeply interwoven into the fabric of Hindu households, exemplify the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda and its enduring relevance in promoting health and well-being. Through daily consumption and use in rituals, these herbs continue to provide a foundation for a holistic approach to health that harmonizes the body, mind, and spirit.